Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today you will learn how to enter overtime through our online system, Timefiler. The first thing to understand is how your overtime is paid. This is detailed in your employment contract. Some apprentices are paid overtime on a daily basis and some on a weekly basis. If you are paid overtime on a daily basis, this means that any hours you work above your rostered hours for the day will count as overtime. If you are paid overtime on a weekly basis, this means you will need to work all of your weekly rostered hours before overtime is paid. As soon as you reach your rostered hours for the given period, then any time above that is counted as overtime. For weekly overtime, as soon as you reach the limit for your rostered hours, all further time will be counted as overtime. Here we have a timesheet which has all ordinary hours for Monday and Tuesday, but on Wednesday we hit the overtime limit. You will receive an error message if you try to enter ordinary time where you should be paid overtime. You will need to enter the ordinary hours and overtime hours separately. Once you have exceeded your rostered hours for the week, all of the remaining time worked for that week will be calculated as overtime. If you have any red alerts, you will not be able to submit your timesheet. Please read these alerts and follow the instructions. More than one overtime code. Your contract may include more than one type of overtime. If this is the case, you will see multiple overtime work types. Once you reach the limit of one overtime type, you will receive an error message saying that the next overtime type must be used. As before, save the overtime at time and a half up to the allowed limit. Then add a new entry for overtime paid at double time. This next tier of overtime will start where your first portion of overtime ended. Remember to action and submit your timesheet to ensure you get paid. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out the other videos we have or get in touch with us if you're having any issues. Ka kite anō.